Hey there, beautiful souls! If you're anything like me, you know how essential a reliable eyeshadow palette is for any makeup collection. Today, I've got my hands on something that's not just about color, but also skincare benefits. Pure, beauty on point eyeshadow palette. If you're into clean beauty and versatile eyeshadow shades, this might be the game changer you've been looking for. Now, let's get into the details. The Pure Beauty on Point eyeshadow palette features a variety of matte, shimmer, and metallic shades, making it perfect for creating everything from subtle everyday looks to bold, glamorous eye makeup. What sets it apart is its skincare-infused formula. Yes, you heard that right. This palette doesn't just deliver stunning colors, it also nourishes your eyelids thanks to natural ingredients that are gentle on the skin. No more worrying about irritation after a full day of wear. In terms of its shades, this palette gives you a great balance of neutral tones, perfect for any skin tone and versatile enough for both day and night looks. Whether you're going for a soft matte crease or a striking metallic lid, the formula blends smoothly and evenly. Plus, the shimmery shades? Absolutely stunning, with a high-impact finish that catches the light just right. When it comes to real-world testing, I've been using this palette for a few weeks now. What stood out to me is how easy it is to build color. The matte shades are pigmented but blend beautifully without becoming patchy, which is always a plus. The metallic shades? They're rich and vibrant, and they stay in place without creasing throughout the day. Whether I'm applying it in the morning before work or doing a quick touch-up for a dinner date, it holds up. However, I did notice that the shimmer shades, while gorgeous, need a good primer underneath to really pop. On bare eyelids, the shimmer doesn't seem to have as much payoff, so keep that in mind. Another small downside is that there's no mirror in the palette, which I usually prefer for easy touch-ups, but that's just a minor inconvenience. Now let's talk about value. At first glance, the price might feel a little high for an eyeshadow palette, but considering the quality of the formula and the fact that it's infused with skincare ingredients, I'd say it's worth the splurge. Plus, you're getting a wide range of versatile shades that can take you from everyday looks to more dramatic evening eyes, so there's definitely good value here. When comparing this to other palettes in the same price range, it stands out because of its skincare angle. While most palettes just focus on pigment, Pure Beauty goes the extra mile by incorporating nourishing ingredients, making it a great choice for those who want their eyeshadow to work double duty. If you're looking for something with a similar color range, but at a lower price point, there are alternatives out there, but they won't necessarily have the same skin-loving benefits. As for the packaging, it feels sturdy and sleek. Nothing too flashy, but it gets the job done. And with the natural ingredients and cruelty-free promise, I feel good about using this product on my skin. It's clear that Pure Beauty cares about more than just delivering on pigment. They want to offer a clean and conscious product. In terms of longevity, the palette performs well. After a full day of wear, my eyeshadow still looks fresh, and I haven't noticed any irritation, which is a huge win for me. For those of you who wear makeup for long hours, this might be a great option. So here's my final verdict. If you're someone who loves a clean beauty approach and wants an eyeshadow palette that blends effortlessly and provides a pop of color without compromising on your skin's health, Pure Beauty on Point eyeshadow palette is definitely worth considering. The formula is pigmented, smooth, and long-lasting, and I love the added skincare benefits. It's a little on the pricier side, but if you're into natural beauty and want something versatile, I think it's a great investment. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. If you've tried this palette, drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. I'd love to hear about your experience. You can find the link to purchase this product in the description box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.